Hi, Steve Lay here, Lay2 Real Estate. Welcome to this week's market update, 2nd of September 2020. Before we get into the Bassendean, Bayswater, Bedford, Maylands, Morley and Embleton stats for the week, let's do a bit of a roundup of what's happened over the last year in Perth real estate. Interestingly enough, the Perth house sales and median price were a little bit behind on time because it takes a couple of months for the data to come out, but this is to the end of the June quarter 2020. Now, the actual amount of properties selling in that quarter was 4,250. It's down from just under 6,000. So the amount of sales is actually trending down. But interestingly enough, the actual median price is trending down as well. So from 12 months ago, the median price was sitting at around $495. It's down to $475,000 at the moment, and that would, I would say, flatten out a little bit now over the last couple of months with the amount of activity that's been going on. Perth land sales and median price. There's been a definite uptrend in the amount of sales in terms of price anyway. The median price is now $250,000 as opposed to 12 months ago sitting around the $237,000, $236,000. So it is trending upwards. All the way up from March 2019, which was the bottom at around $236,000 average or median price. The interesting thing here is the sales. The amount of sales is actually at 1,000, but I think with the last 2 months and the stimulus, you'll see that jump dramatically. That'll come out in the end of September figures. Perth unit sales and median price, it's been going down for 5 years. Continuing trend line down 5 years. So you're looking at an average median price of around $370,000 per unit, and it's down to 980 sales. So from 12 months ago, you were looking at probably 1,100, 1,200 sales in a quarter. We're down to 980 sales. So not only is the price going down, but also the amount of sales is dropping off. The listings on market, so that's all listings, is on a downward trend since early 2019. It's had a bounce in the first 6 months of 2020, but only slightly. So it's on a downward trend. We're down to listings of around 10,000 in Perth, down from 15,000 12 months ago. So that's a definite downtrend. The median days on market, the time it takes to sell a property, is also gone back up. It went down dramatically over one quarter from 56, 57 down to under 40. Now it's back up just over 50. So the next data coming out will tell whether that's trending continually up or it's going to go down. The rental vacancy rate, last month or last week we actually talked about, it's down to 1.6. It's definitely on a downward trend. Houses and units are definitely trending down in terms of vacancy rate. So we estimate rents will be going up, and the median rent looks like it's bottomed out, but we'll know with the data in September. So just moving over to our core areas of Bayswater, Bassendean, Bedford, Morley, Maylands and Embleton. Just a quick roundup. There's not a lot of activity because there's a lack of listings on the market. So if you need to find out what your property's worth in this market, give us a call, 9371 1000. Happy to talk to you. Even if it's just to chat about it over a coffee. It doesn't mean you have to sell your property, but if you want some guidance and you want some information, you want sales evidence, we're here to help. Bayswater, steady again this week, 5 sales. Congratulations to David and Alana in Drake Street for getting that property under offer. And as I said, if you want to know what your property's worth, give us a call, 9371 1000. Not much else happening in Bayswater. Lack of listings, very low. All the agents we talk to having the same situation, pretty much Perth-wide. Bassendean, steady again, 4 sales this week with buyers galore looking. There is a lot of buyers out there, by the way, and we need more listings. I keep going on about this, but yeah, give us a call, 9371 1000. Happy to talk to you. Now, if you want to find out the value, that might be a bit of an interesting time because you might be sitting back thinking, well, my job, COVID, what's happening economically. If you just want an update, just give us a call. Sounds like I'm pleading, but I actually mean it. If you want to find out what it's worth, just give us a call. Happy to come out and chat, even over the phone. More than happy to do it. Maylands popped this week, 10 sales again. 8 of these were apartments. So the first home buyer market's really buoyant. They've recognised a bit of value for money in the area, in Maylands, and as I say, 8 out of 10 of those sales were apartments. Not much in the home department in terms of houses, decent sizes. Selling, apartments are the go. Bedford, once again, 1 sale this week, low turnover. Brand new 4x2 on a 335 square metre block, street frontage block, that's sold this week. Morley, 7 sales, down from 10, very consistent performer, Morley. There's really good value for money in there. They are getting properties on the market. We're getting properties on the market, but once again, we need more. There's a steady flow of buyers. It's a great suburb. Entry point for a lot of buyers up to $500,000, first home buyers. If you're thinking of selling, give us a call, 9371 1000. Embleton, 2 sales this week, and a bit of a sleeper suburb. It hasn't really moved for a while, not many sales happening in there. So Embleton sellers, if you're thinking of doing something, give us a call, 9371 1000. Hey, spring is here. You'd think that the market would be booming with listings. Once again, it's not. I think it's got something to do with COVID. I think it's got something to do with people being worried about the economics of what's going on and just not sure what to do. So rather than do something, they're doing nothing. It is really, really different to be in a market where spring comes around and there aren't people, racing to get onto the market to see what the market's going to pay for their property. But there is a captive audience, buyers everywhere, buyers ready to buy. So once again, if you're looking to do something, give us a call. Hope that was helpful for you this week. I'm Steve Lay, Lay2 Real Estate. Ciao for now.